This is the 71 by 74 inch hookless shower curtain. This is a really nice shower curtain. This is the white waffle design here. You have the see-through part at the top so you can see out of it when you're in there. Best case about these shower curtains here is these hookless design right here. This just does a really nice job of sliding on the rod, and we were just tired of the traditional hooks pulling them down, moving them back and forth, and then they just keep coming unadjusted, because this just works so much better. It's got the plastic around here, so it's reinforced. So does a nice job of sliding, and just overall, just a really great shower curtain. You can see here it's got this snap-in liner that I believe is washable, but again, this is just very heavy duty, and the waffle material on this side is just really nice. You just see it's just a really nice overall shower curtain. This is a really nice upgrade if you're using like an older shower curtain. Just goes all the way down. Again, 71 by 74 inches. And they have a lot of different colors. We just wanted to go with a white waffle here with the see-through up top, and just we're very pleased with this. We're going to be a repeat buyer of this brand. We're going to be buying it for other showers, and this is just a really nice upgrade if you have the traditional metal shower hooks or plastic hooks that keep coming loose, keep coming undone. Highly recommend picking one of these up and trying it out.